Before installation, we need to understand the structure of the BYD Puddle light to make the removal process easier. The front of the puddle light connects to the cable, and the rear has a clip that holds it in place. When removing the puddle light, you need to press the clip firmly with the provided screwdriver to release it. If you don't press the clip, the removal process might take longer. Now, let's go through the removal steps. First, insert one of the screwdrivers into the gap on the side of the puddle light, about 1/3 of the way in. Then, insert the other screwdriver into the center of the light. Push the screwdrivers in firmly and move them back and forth to widen the gap, allowing the screwdrivers to go deeper. This may cause minor damage to the door, but don't worry, it won't affect the warranty. While inserting the screwdriver, feel for the clip. Once you feel the screwdriver engaging with the clip, push it at a 45-degree angle and pry the light downward. If the puddle light has never been removed before, it may feel tight, and it might take a few attempts to remove it. After the puddle light is detached, use the screwdriver to press the cable clip and fully disconnect the light. Check the left or right label on the back of the puddle light to determine the correct orientation, then connect the cable. Follow the same steps to install the remaining puddle lights. The entire process should take about 30 minutes.